everyone, welcome back to our channel and join us as we feature this 4-bedroom, 2-story modern Asian design split-level residential with infinity pool, sub-basement, fully furnished, and this property is a smart home. So sit back and please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Let's start. Dito tayo sa ating parking area, and as you've seen naman kanina, remote control ng ating gate and our parking, fully covered, very spacious. Mapapansin nyo yan dun sa, we have tiles, tapos may mga pebble washout tayo. Kung makikita ninyo, sa design pa lang niya, yan, may emphasize na kung gaano kalaking sasakyan yung kasya dyan. We have two. So, this is 2-car carport, fully covered with spotlights. Ang ganda ng lights natin, oh. Fully covered, spotlights, and then wood ang ating accent sa ating ceiling. This one, yan ang pasay sa akin ko ni architect kanina. This is a storage. Para sa yung mga stuff, pwede naman yung cleaning stuff mo or mga gamit naman sa car. Diretso na tayo. This is a corner lot, not just a plain painted wall. Meron tayong textured wall, meron tayong may accent dyan, and also meron tayong mga metal railings para from the outside, you will see yung view ng infinity pool natin at ng ating, well, a few plants from our garden. This is your service gate. Hindi tayo pumasok dyan, but I just wanna show you. Maluwang yan. At, okay. Okay, dito yung ating elevated porch. And from here, your view deck, nandito yung pocket garden mo. Ito yung infinity pool natin. Mas maganda siyang makita doon sa... Actually, even here, maganda siyang tignan kasi yung pagkaka-install ng mga stones, as you can see dyan, yung drop ng tubig, paslant yung pagkaka-install ng mga stones dyan para yung flow ng water, hindi siya smooth. Para magkaroon siya ng sound ng water flow. Ayan. Diba? Mas dinig yung mga drop, yung pagbagsak ng water ng ating infinity pool. Alright, also, dyan sa ating pocket garden, makikita nyo yung fence natin. Bakit tayo may metal fence dyan? Para meron tayong view ng ating infinity pool. Okay, akyat na tayo. You have step lights, and you have a frameless tempered glass railing. You have a massive entrance or your solid door, smart lock. As I mentioned, smart home po itong ating property. Pasok na tayo. This property is a smart home, fully furnished. Ayan, pagpasok natin, I can show you yung mobile app niya. And just right now, nandito tayo sa ating living area. So, you have a control sa yung phone. I think pwede ka rin mag-connect ng smartwatch. Of course, voice command. Pero habang hindi pa naka-install, I can show you yung sa mobile app niya. So, this is the living area. There. So, you can control it on your mobile phone. This is your living area, fully furnished. Start natin yung floor-to-ceiling na window natin. Nahirap na hirap ako. Na merong view ng ating pocket garden. And that is actually, alam mo, pag dito kasi from here, ang ganda na ng view doon, no? Kasi yung mga greens at saka yung shape ng fence natin, no? Napaka-cool. These are all included. At even yung mga curtains natin, it's a full smart home technology. So, hindi lang natin mapapakita right now, but makikita nyo sa description lahat-lahat, and also, you know naman pag full smart technology, everything pwede mong i-install or i-program according to your liking and according to your needs. Back to our living area, custom-made sala set. This is your TV console. These are all included. You have your geometric pattern accent wall with LED strip and fluted panels. Isa pa sa gustong gusto ko sa bahay na to ay yung mga bronze mirrors niya. Not just an accent, but also very useful. Diba? Madalas tayo, magbibihis tayo sa bahay. Pagbaba mo, gusto mo, titignan mo pa yung itsura mo paalis. Bago ka umalis, palabas ng pintuan. Ayan. You have your window mirror here. At all throughout our property, makikita nyo yung mga bronze mirrors natin, which is very elegant. Alright. This TV is included. Hindi ko lang naalala kung ilan inches siya, but yeah, I think this is around 55 or 60. This is included. Ang TV console mo, may storage ka rin diyan. Tignan mo kung gaano kalaki yung center table mo. Kasi yung mga usual center tables, diba medyo maliit lang. So if you can see na malaki yan sa view ninyo, very spacious po kasi yung living area natin. There, I'll show you para mas makita nyo dito. From where I'm standing at, pwede mo pang iusog to palikod para mas maluwang dyan, but still, spacious na rin dyan. Dito daw, maglalagay pa doon ng mirror dito as per architect, but parang moon-shaped mirror daw siya, just for your accent wall. Look, ang accent wall natin dito, you have your bronze mirror, as I mentioned earlier. Ayan. Dahil nandito na tayo, parang gusto ko nang pakita yung ating CR. Ang CR natin ay, so this is your powder room or your half bathroom. Pag wala kasing shower area, they call it a half bathroom or your powder room. At ang iyong, ayun na nga, bumukas na siya, smart toilet. So I'll just show you, you have your fixed control system there and you have your remote. Now you can leave it here just in case, diba, ayaw mong nandun siya. I'll show you yung smart power niya, yung cover, and then of course yung flash. There you go. Meron din siyang part where you're gonna put your soap kasi self-cleaning siya. Also, ang mga tanks po natin ay may mga reserve tank po tayo. Meaning, there are instances kasi na like for example, nawala ng kuryente. Some smart toilet, they don't have reserve tank. So, hindi mo siya magagamit. But this one, you can use it. Yeah. Okay, you have your vessel type sink here. May storage ka dito for your towels. And you have a space here for your trash bin. You have also your vanity mirror na, ayan, may light siya. You can also dim the light if you want na mas dim siya. Or you can also make it brighter. This is your powder room. Can I just mention din na high ceiling din yung property natin? Napapansin naman ninyo. Uy, hindi ko nakita kanina. Hindi ko masyadong pinansin kanina yung mga lights natin. So we have spotlights here. We have a chandelier. At meron pa tayong mga spotlights din dito. Kumbaga, maliwanag na maliwanag yung property natin. And very Instagrammable, di ba? Dining area. Your dining area has a 8-seater dining set. Custom made din po yan. As you can see, yung chairs natin, matchy-matchy siya sa ating living area. With a very elegant chandelier, a fluted panel, accent sa ating wall, cove lights, at drop light. May mga pin lights din tayo. And your accent wall with symmetrical bronze mirrors, diba? Which is also your full body mirror. You have your track light or your spotlight. Track light / spotlight. Ito kasi mga track light na to, na-adjust mo sila kung saan mo sila gustong ibanda. So like for example, you wanna put a picture here, a photo or painting perhaps, pwede mong i-adjust yon that would emphasize that photo or that accent dito. But anyway, your wall is really nice na. So the wall is already, an accent. Next to your dining area is your lanai and your access going to your pool area. Diba? So if you wanna extend yung dining mo, if you have gatherings, pwede ka maglagay ng table dyan dahil very spacious yan. As you can see, very spacious at meron tayong decking, so you don't have to worry kasi yung tubig hindi yan magpupondo dyan, especially if you have kids. You also have here, you have your shower area and of course, your accent wall or they call this your RL stones. Totoo po sila mga stones na yan, pinagpatong-patong dinesign dito for your accent wall. Meron ka ring mga LED, mga LED lamps dito sa wall mo which are adjustable. So, nasa sayo kung gaano mo sila gustong i-design. And here, this is your infinity pool. Kung naririnig nyo yung drop ng tubig dito sa pool natin, it was intentionally made that way. Yung mga stones, I think na-mention ko kanina sa umpisa, no? That the stones kung saan dumadalo yung water pababa, they installed it pa sa land so that yung bagsak ng tubig, maingay talaga, para magkaroon siya ng relaxing effect. Alam ko may ilaw to, hindi lang natin nasindihan. Okay? Ang ganda dito dahil yung wall natin there, the metal fence natin, from there makikita mo talaga yung bagsak ng tubig. This is a 4x8 pool by the way, at ang depth niya ay 4 to 5 feet. feet. So, pa-slope siya. Ganda, oh. Safe siya for kids. This one also, ayan, mga RL stones din to. So, yan. RL stones din yan. And also, yung space niya, you can put stuff here. Pwede ka maglagay ng mga plants pa dito. Like, if you have a small gathering, you need music, you can put a speaker dito na hindi siya basta-basta malalaglag kasi sobrang hindi narrow yung space niya. So, useful din to at very pleasing sa eyes yung color niya. You have your tiles, wood design tiles. You also have plants doon. And you have your wall lamp with ano. Oh, yung cute naman pala ng color nung ano doon. Gray yung color nung accent wall natin doon. I just want to mention yung ceiling natin. We have wood design ceiling. And as you can see, maliliit yung lights natin. They call that COB lights. COB lights are spotlights na maliliit. And they have a different effect than those na malalaki. What they usually do yan, maliliit sila pero marami. Compared with pin lights na basta-basta lang na, not basta-basta lang, but iba kasi yung tama ng ilaw pag mga COB lights. There. Okay, pasok na tayo ulit. So this is your formal kitchen. You have a breakfast nook. Ang spacious ng breakfast nook mo. Diba? Dito siya. And then you have light. Yan. Stools are included already. Fluted panels. You have track lights there. Just to emphasize your fluted panels. At meron kang mga drop lights na may pagka-industrial yung design natin. Wow! Ang ganda naman ng breakfast nook natin. So, lipat tayo dito. You have your pantry. May storage ka dyan. White quartz countertop. You have your microwave. That is already included, of course. Modular cabinets. May LED strip tayo dyan for additional lighting. Ito pa. Yang malaking sharing yan, kasama po yan. Ang ganda nito. May isang property sila na ganito rin yung design. Gustong-gusto ko yung itsura ng cherry. There. Ang lalaki ng mga drawers natin. So ample yung space natin for your things. Cooktop and range hood included. May cabinets ka pa dito. This refrigerator, of course, is included. You have shelves there. This is your sink. Single bone stainless steel sink, but you have a rectangular basin that is working, and of course, you have storage dito. At dahil Pilipino tayo, we have your formal kitchen at lagi tayong merong dirty kitchen. Your dirty kitchen is here and there. Paglabas mo, meron ka pang space dito. Actually, kung gusto mo na dito mo na ilagay, just in case that's how you want it. Meron ka na ring socket dyan. If you want to put a table here, or you want to install like a sink here, meron nang nakaabang. So you don't have to worry about that. Just in case that you want your dirty kitchen, na papakita ka later, would be like something, another function. So, pwede ka maglagay dito. Very flexible po yung property natin. We mentioned sa intro natin that we have a sub-basement, and that's where we are going right now. Si Sir Darwin, nandyan siya sa ating parking. Dito tayo kanina, and this is where your pool pump, pool area, pool control booth. You also have a tank there. So, ano na yan? Full operating pump system na yan. May tank ka na. You also have filters. Ayan, may filter ka na rin, which is connected, of course, sa buong property natin. Your tank. You don't have to worry about the pressure, the water. Ayan. Very helpful kasi yung meron kang tank, especially you have a pool, diba? This is your laundry area. You have a sink. And spacious yung ditong side mo for your washing machine. Wash and dry, ready rin yan. Nakaabang na rin doon for your, sa pag-drain ng water. Aside from the drainage you have here. And this one, this is your maid's quarter. This is one of the things that I love about the maid's quarter. They have their own privacy, or they have their privacy kasi nasa labas siya ng property. Like, diba, yung daan is from the outside. They have their storage here. At yung size niya, not just for single bed, but it's good for double-sized bed. So, pwede siya for double-sized bed. Ganun siya kaluwang. And you can, actually, kung gusto mo na itong mga to, because sobrang dami na ng storage niya, but if you still want to put a drawer, pwede ka pa rin maglagay ng drawer. And meron siyang sariling bathroom. Full bath. A very cutesy full bath. Actually, maluwang siya. Floor-to-ceiling tiles. Ang yung stainless steel shower set. Ayan. Rain shower. hand shower, and you have your sink and your toilet. O diba, wala pa tayo sa service area or sa dirty kitchen. Dito yung dirty kitchen natin. This room is our dirty kitchen. Ayan. Your dirty kitchen has white quartz countertop. You have storage. Nandiyan na rin yung cooktop and range hood. Drain, what do you call this? Sink. Single bowl stainless steel sink with a drainage or drainer. I'm sorry. Drainer. Meron tayong tsaka maluwang siya. Diba? Sobrang luwang pa rin naman niya. See? Nice. Alright. Some kasi, diba, yung mga sa maid's room or they provide that their own kitchen as well. Pwedeng yun, and then you just install another dirty kitchen doon sa taas. Pwede rin naman. Anyway, dito tayo dumaan. Packet tayo. And back to our formal kitchen. Ayan. Done na tayo sa ating ground floor. At dahil split level, as we mentioned, you have a split level residential. Sige, bago tayo umakyat, gusto ko lang pakita yung stairs natin. Yung stairs natin, as you can see, meron tayong baseboard dyan. Ang ganda ng effect niya kasi ang linis niya. Oh. Puti, tapos black yung baseboard mo. And then there's white and brown. So, ang linis lang yan tignan. And you have your frameless tempered glass railing. At since we mentioned split level, sabi ko, bakit split level residential? Ayan siya. Wala ka pa sa second floor, but you already have another level here. Akit na tayo. Upper level ground floor natin. You have a room here. Wow! Okay, so this room can be converted to an office or a guest room. Kaya wala siyang bed kasi it can be converted into an office. Of course, the aircon is included. So you can see, fluted panel, accent wall. At dito rin naman, yan. Saan ba banda? Yeah, dito kasi banda yung bed if you want to put your bed here. Tapos kapag office naman, pwede dyan yung mga tables. As you can see, you have a cabinet. Hindi siya yung usual na cabinet natin. It has a small glass door. At yung taas niya kasi, they worry about their dresses, their coats. So, ayan. Mataas po siya. So, you don't have to worry na mafufold yung dresses mo, your coats. Perfect ang size niya. Soft close yan. Of course, may drawers ka, may shelves ka rin with LED strips. This drawer, usually, they put jewelries or watches. Soft close. Very nice. Here, you have an accent wall. So, these are wall boards na meron silang parang quartz yung design niya, di ba? Para silang yung mga quartz, white quartz, yung mga quartz ng countertop. But these are actually wall boards. Yeah. TV console, naka-ready na yan. May storage ka rin dyan. Another accent wall. Diba? So this is your upper level ground floor bedroom / you can also make this as your office. Akit na tayo? Dito sa landing natin, as you can see, ay, nag-flashlight ako. Very spacious yung landing natin. Doon pa lang. Dahil nga naman meron din tayo. That's your upper level ground floor. So now we're going to your second floor. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang wall natin, from there, meron tayong mga LED strip. You have an accent ceiling with fluted panels at meron siyang window dito. From where I'm standing at nakikita ko sa tapat ko yung accent bronze mirror natin. Bakit tayo may mga design na ganyan? This one kasi guys, this is your upper level second floor, which is your walk-in closet. Kaya mamaya natin papakita to kasi ito yung master bedroom natin. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Nandito kayo kanina. Ito yung bronze mirror natin. May effect siya. Nice siyang tignan. Also, it makes it look bigger kasi nga dahil nagkaroon tayo. This is for architectural design, no? Para doon sa mga lights natin dyan. And the window doon. This is your family area. Family area with accent walls. Kung mapapansin mo, yung buong wall natin, hindi na siya plain painted. Your accent wall here, meron silang mga nakaprotrude na bricks for them to add some lights. Very nice. And of course, your wall boards here. At dito, that looks like quartz. Put your TV here. You can put a sofa dito. You have showers. As we mentioned, meron pa tayong 3 bedrooms. So you got that first bedroom there. We have 2 more bedrooms here. Dito na tayo sa isang room natin. This one, this is your bedroom 2. And everything you see, these are all included. This is a queen size bed. Lahat yan kasama na. This has a view of the pool area. So itong room na to, siya yung may view ng pool area natin. Queen size bed, the bedroom is included. As you can see, ang wall natin, fluted panels with bronze mirror at may mga track lights and spotlights tayo. Aircon is included, of course. TV console, ang luwang niya, kasya ang 60 inches, 70 pwede pa na TV. And of course, meron kang built-in cabinet. And your built-in cabinet, ayan, meron kang smoke glass door for your cabinet. And of course, perfect for your dresses, your suit, shelves, just like the other one. You can see kung ano yung nasa loob, but since smoke siya, hindi siya yung super clear, so mas elegant siyang tignan. Meron ka pa dito, drawers, and another bronze mirror na accent. This is your bedroom. Again guys, since smart powered home to, once na na-access na or na-install na ng fully ang smart home technology, you have a way or na voice command lang din when you open or when you turn on your lights dito sa room na to. Even the air cons actually. Next, you have your bathroom. Under mount sink tayo this time. These are tiles. Yung floor to ceiling tiles natin, this side we have like a wood design tiles. Under mount sink natin, quartz countertop. And of course, smart din ang ating toilet. Right? There you go. Your shower area, ang high ceiling din siya, di ba? Hindi lang natin na-turn on yung light. I think they're fixing it pa. May mga inaayos pa kasi guys, so may mga part pa na, may mga bulbs pa na kailangang ilagay, or may mga, bato finish pa sa mga painting, ayan. Okay, so tempered glass partition, floor to ceiling tiles, you have, this is a hot and cold shower with dashboard. So, ito, hot and cold ready na siya. And then there's a dashboard na makikita mo yung temperature ng water. You have your rain shower, you have your spray gun, your hand shower, and of course, your nozzle for your water. Niche, of course, your drainage, it's linear, so mas mabilis pumasok ang tubig, and that's perfect. Okay, next. Another bedroom, which is actually twin lang nung isa. Kamukhang kamukha lang niya. Diba? Iba lang yung part ng window niya. But another queen size bed. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala tayong mga center lights. They're still looking for the perfect light to put or the perfect design. Kasi hindi lang basta-basta ilaw. Maglalagay sila ng center light na may design. So, yun. Okay, queen size bed. You have fluted panels. You have bronze mirror and you have track lights din sa ceiling. Of course, aircon is included. Parang, ito yung part dun sa may bandang, pababa din sa basement. Diyan yan. Okay. TV console or TV rack with wall board na mayroong parang quartz design. And, of course, ang very pretty mong cabinet. Built-in cabinet with clear smoked glass windows. Smoked glass windows. Smoked glass doors. Ano ba yun? Ayan, smoked glass doors. Yan. Tapos, continuous aluminum, handrail niya. Ito pa, same design lang din nung sa iba. May mga LED strip ka rin dyan. And, there you go. Halika na at dito na tayo sa aking favorite ng ating master bedroom. Magpasok mo! There. This is your master bedroom. And, this is your TV console. Yeah, may LED strip ka dyan. You can mount your TV here. Pwede rin naman nandito. May shelves ka pa dito o may shelf ka dito. This is fluted panels, accent wall, and you have a king size bed. Bedroom is included, and they already created an upholstery headboard na meron pang light. Diba? Ang ganda. This is one of my favorite din, itong bronze mirror niya kasi full body mirror na ang peg niya, di ba? Siyempre, dahil master bedroom siya, sa kanya lang yung balcony. Favorite isim, joke lang. No. So, yun siya. May feature na specific for your master bedroom. Alam mo, gustong-gusto ko yung balcony niya. Kasi maluwang. Again, you have a frameless tempered glass railing as your pinaka pang view deck mo. You have a view of your pool area. This is the other side of your balcony. Now, you can put a table here. Tignan mo naman kung gaano siya ka-spacious. Pwede ka maglagay ng coffee table dito. Actually, yung coffee table nakasya 3 chairs. Pwede siya. You have an accent wall with groove lines. Of course, your wall lamp. Fluted panels. And as you can see, from here, diretso yung design niya ng fluted panels with COB or your spotlights. Diba ang luwang niya? At itong balcony natin is actually L-shaped. So, this side is your view naman sa facade. Or this is the facade of your property. And then, this one, daan din to, papasok sa master bedroom. Parang gusto ko ditong pumasok para makita nyo. Alright? Dito tayo. Here. Yeah, dito. Doon tayo pumasok kanina. And this is dyan yung access natin. Hindi niya napansin kanina, di ba? Kala nyo window lang, but it's a door. And of course, dahil ito ang ating master bedroom, meron kang walk-in closet and master bathroom, which is your upper second floor. Dito siya. This is your upper second floor. And meron kang pag nakita mo yung wall natin, this is fabric designed PVC accent wall. Yan. Para siyang fabric, pero hindi siya. PVC panel siya. This has an ample space pa if you want to put a cabinet for your shoes. Pwede yan. In-emphasize to sa akin ni architect kanina. Itong space na to. Very nice. And pagpasok mo, this is your walk-in closet with a vanity mirror, vanity area, drawers. Maglagay ka ng very spacious siya, di ba? And ayan, meron kang lalaki ng mga shelves dito. Storage for your bags, shoes. Kung ayaw mo nandun yung shoes mo, pwede dito. And of course, your smoke glass door cabinets. Soft close, drawers. Yan, meron pa sa taas. At lahat yan, meron silang mga LED strips. Let's move on to your master bathroom. Of course, his and hers sink. Bahala na kayo. Oops, nag-open ang ating smart toilet natin. His and hers na sink. Bahala na kayo kung saan si his at si hers. Basta't ang alam ko, sa right, yung mga girls. Diba no? Tapos dun sa left yung mga lalaki. Bahala na kayong pumikap doon. At ang yung wide vanity mirror. Ang ganda. Meron ka dito for your toothbrush, yung mga makeup, pwede rin dyan. Yung moisturizer, pwede. May storage ka rin dyan for your towels. And of course, since smart din siya, again, cover, down. Okay. So, diba? May temp din yan. You can see the temperature there. Ayun. You have an enclosed shower area this time. Tempered glass partition. Enclosed shower area with tempered glass partition. And same din tayo, hot and cold shower with dashboard. And of course, your rain shower, your hand shower, your spray gun, and a very spacious shower area. Your niche, linear drainage, floor-to-ceiling tiles. And ayan, very spacious yung ating master bathroom. Alrighty. So, balik na tayo sa ating ground floor para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-story modern Asian design, split-level residential with infinity pool, sub-basement, fully furnished, and a smart home. This property is located in the heart of Angeles City. This is an exclusive subdivision with 24-hour security service, wide roads, a quick access to North Luzon Expressway, and also a 30-minute drive to Clark International Airport. It is also in close proximity to schools, malls, hospitals, groceries, so all major business establishments because yun nga, it has a good location and very accessible. Ano ba yung highlights ng property natin? I would say, of course, yung architectural design. It's so nice to have split-level residential. It's not common, so parang mas nagkakanab na bibigyan niya na maximize niya yung space ng property natin. Because this property actually is a corner lot with 168 square meters lot area. And yung floor area natin is 290 square meters floor area. Other highlights, ano pa ba? Yung smart technology natin sa ating property. Though hindi natin sila masyadong napakita today, but full smart technology siya. So we're still waiting for some echo dots for your voice commands. But the mobile app is available, so you can use that while you still don't have your echo dot. I think this is can also be linked to a smartwatch. So, pwede. What else? Yung infinity pool. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng infinity pool kasi it's not your usual pool area. And also, nagiging accent din siya from the outside. Dahil nga yung fence natin, we have a metal fence. So, kitang-kita yung bagsak ng tubig ng infinity pool from there. So, napakaganda at napaka-relaxing. The size of the pool is tamang-tama lang. It's not too big. But you can actually make lapses na makakapag-enjoy yung maraming mga kids natin, even adults, dito sa ating pool area. Automated gate, it's really check sa akin lagi yung automated gate dahil nga very helpful even for, lalo na sa mga moms na nandun yung mga kids nila, they need to open the gate, so you just have to use your remote and yun, hindi mo na kailangan bumaba ng sasakyan. Lalo na yung space ng carport natin, very spacious siya. What else? Yung feature natin, di ba, yung infinity pool, your sub basement. I love that the mate's quarter is very spacious. It's good for a double bed. Meron pa siyang mga built-in cabinets. Maluwang din yung kanyang bathroom. And that it is located outside the property that you can give their family too. So, yung mga kasambahay natin, privacy. Yung ating filter, your pool tank, your water tank, yung filter. Kasi yung filter na yon, it filters yung water ng buong property natin. So, yan. Yung buong, lahat ng mga pumps natin or yung mga daalan ng water natin are all filtered. Yung pump natin, located siya doon na hindi masyadong masikip. Some we have boots, though wala namang masama sa mga boots, but this time, hindi siya masyadong kita dahil nakalagay siya sa ilalim ng staircase. What else? Yung breakfast, yung kitchen natin. Kasi kumpleto na. Diba? This is fully furnished. So, titirhan nyo na lang siya, lilipatan nyo na lang siya, dadalhin mo na lang yung mga gamit mo kasi meron ka ng lutuan, you have your microwave, you also have your ref. Hindi lang yon, even your dirty kitchen, meron ka na rin lutuan doon. So, but it's ready. Ano pa ba? Your smart toilet. Diba? Ang cute lang kasing tignan na even if meron siyang reserve tank. So, kahit na magkaroon ng power outage, you can still use it kasi meron siyang may reserve water siya. Ayan. What else pa? Yung mga split level natin na floors, I love it kasi hindi nako-contain or hindi nalilimit yung laki ng room natin. Kasi pwede nila siyang i-extend dahil nga, yung sa level na yon, wala namang ibang room doon. So, that's what I love about it. Yung mga rooms natin, kung mapapansin nyo, very spacious sila. Even lalong-lalo na yung master bedroom. I love the walk-in closet. Sobrang spacious siya. Yung, since this is your upper level, second floor, ang ganda ng location niya kasi pag tinignan mo yung bedroom mo, parang, diba, sobrang spacious mo na. And then, meron ka pa palang extended room for your walk-in closet and your master bathroom. At ano pa ba? Yung his and hers na sink natin. Diba? Sobrang at least pwede kayong sabay ng yung partner, mga kids, pwede rin doon. So, very, very useful din naman yon. And there you have it. If you're interested, let me know kung ano pa yung ibang nagustuhan nyo sa property nito. Just comment down below, let us know para, binabasa din po yan nila architect. So, if ever, I think they saw some comments about sub-level or split-level request ng mga ibang subscribers natin, mga designs, lalong-lalo na sa maid's room, yan ang palaging napapansin. That's why they consider that maid's room now very spacious din para sa mga kasambahay natin. Okay? So, you just comment down below kung ano yung mga features na nagustuhan ninyo and your suggestions as well. Okay, so if you're interested, you can reach out sa aming Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Send us a message sa Messenger. Kung wala po kayo Messenger, mayroon tayong iba't ibang messaging platforms. We have WhatsApp, Viber. You also have our numbers there. number ko, number ng architect, number ni broker Wen, nandyan din. Email address, nandyan din po. And you can follow us on Instagram, Lupin Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok kasi nagpo-post po kami ng mga reels. While the full house tour is ini-edit pa, so you can see some reels already. And follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. Follow me on TikTok. You can book your trippings there. So, BP Pampanga, Enalalu on TikTok and Enalalu on Instagram. You can book your trippings kahit hindi pa po na-launch ang ating full video. And just a quick plug-in at may kodigo ako to those who are in the agricultural industry or agricultural business. We have the Gabriel's Agri Trading or DGAT. This is an agricultural marketing company which focuses on catering quality organic, natural raw materials, and farm inputs to farmers, agricultural supply stores, and distributors at the lowest possible price. Again, this is the Gabriel's Agri Trading, and you can reach them through their website, the Gabrielsagri.ph. Ayan, dito po. Their email, sales@thegabrielsagri.ph, and you can contact them on their number 0917-862-9112. Para po yan sa mga nasa agricultural business and agricultural industry. Sa mga subscribers naman namin, thank you so much po sa pag-view or sa pag-join sa amin. Nagbulog-bulog na naman ako. Thank you so much for joining us on another house tour. Sa mga subscribers po namin, thank you so much for always watching our videos. At sa'yo na hindi pa naka-subscribe, well, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks.